Hello friends, this is Souurabh RC once again. Hope all of you are doing fine. By God's grace, I'm fine too. So, if I were to ask you a question, what does Marcus Brutus, Marcus Aurelius, and Seneca have in common? They are all Europeans. What have they in common? Well, the answer is that they were all believers in a branch of philosophy called Stoicism. To say it short, they were all Stoics. What is Stoicism? Many times it is misunderstood. But if I were to tell you the meaning of Stoicism, I can say like this. If you want, you can choose to sulk, or if you want, you can choose to dance in the rain. But regardless, it will rain. It means that regardless of how you react to things, things will happen. You don't have a control of everything that happens in your life. That is what Stoicism all about. And there were all these men, as I told you, Seneca and others, who were all honorable men and who were believers in Stoicism. In fact, many of today's philosophies also, directly or indirectly, bear their origin to this thinking of Stoicism, that we cannot do much about the inevitable and therefore we need not worry much about such happenings too. Coming to another philosophy that especially prevailed in the Western world is nihilism. Nihilism comes from the word nihil, which means to say nothing, and extended meaning means there is no meaning. There is no meaning to anything. Well, this has got some relation to existentialism and such other similar movements, but basically it means to say that by itself things don't have any meaning in themselves, therefore they are nihil, they are empty. And if at all there is some meaning you can find in some things, it's because of the manifestation of your mind, which actually gives meanings to happenings around us. So I hope I've succeeded in sharing my knowledge with all of you regarding two philosophies. Two: Stoicism, nihilism. Stoicism means whether you want it or not, things will keep happening. An example given was of rain. Whether you dance or sulk in the rain, it will rain regardless of anything that you feel. Whereas Stoicism means there is no intrinsic meaning to anything or anyone that we see. The meaning, if at all we find, is because of the manifestation of our own minds, which actually arrogates meanings to things, which gives meaning to things. So with that small bit of my video, hoping that you enjoy my video clips, I take leave of you. But before that, I request you to like my videos on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has been rechristened as Souurabh's Variety Ventures 9999. It was earlier Souurabh's Variety. Now it is SOUURABH apostrophe S VARIETY VENTURES 9999. You can still type Souurabh's Variety and you'll find that channel in list. But then when you click on that, you'll find the full name. So I request you to like my videos, share them with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I post some interesting videos on my YouTube channel. Wishing you all a happy life. I take leave of you till I meet once again with something more interesting. Thank you. Hare Krishna.